I'm going to walk you through exactly how to delete your Binance account permanently. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. So I'm going to show you how to do this on your mobile app as well as your PC. And the first thing you need to do is obviously log into your account. And once you're logged into your mobile app, you're going to see a page that looks like this. You're going to come right up here to the top left-hand corner and click on these three lines. And from here, you're going to click on your profile, tap on security. You're going to scroll down to the bottom where it says manage account and tap on that. And right here, you'll have the option to disable your account and delete your account. You're going to select delete account. On your PC, it's going to be relatively the same. You're going to come log into your account and you're going to click on this profile icon right up here. Scroll down and tap on settings. From here, you're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you're going to go right over here where it says delete account and click on delete. From here, the steps are very similar. But I'm going to continue with the mobile app. I'm going to go right over here, tap on delete account. Deletion reason, I no longer want to use the account. Click on continue. You'll have this pop up. Make sure you read through it. Once you've read through it and understand it, just go ahead and click on continue. You'll have this pop up again. It'll tell you of any assets you might have in your account. And it also states that after deletion, your identity verification may be blocked for 30 days or longer. Read through it, make sure you understand it. Come right over here, check this box off and tap on delete account. It's going to send you a verification code to the email you signed up with. Go ahead and enter it in and your account has been officially deleted. If this helped you out at all, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.